Hey guys, we are not in Jamaica, but we are here at Mountain Extreme, and this is my 2024 Backcountry XRS in Neo Mint and Orange. So I built this up as my hero unit last year and dolled it up kind of the way that I would like to ride. Spent a lot of the time up on the mountain when we got good snow last year. So a few of the things I did to it was I put the mid to high windshield on it. That just goes ahead. If it's really cold out, I can go ahead and run that up, get a little bit of wind off of my face. If it's hot out, I can go ahead and drop that down, get a little bit more airflow. I went ahead and I put the XC front bumper on this one, just in case I needed to get myself pulled out, or if there was a down tree and I was going to get up and do some rubbing, I was going to have some protection up front. I did the intermediate bumper down here that just ties this down to my skid plate. It protects that extra plastic down there. So, and also it matched everything up really nice. And I did the full body skid plate on this one because honestly there's a lot of things that you may hit crossing water, going over some stuff, so want to get protected. This unit is the 10.25 inch screen. If Bree goes around here and shows you that, it has the larger screen on it, so you can do all of the mapping and you can run your audio if you have a Sienna headset in your helmet. You can run that off it. Everything's controlled off the handset. And then last but not least, I did the Linq 40-liter bag on the back of here. I throw spare gloves, spare beanies in there. And then actually, I did forget, I added this trail grab bar back here. So I really like this one. It just adds a little bit extra flair as opposed to the stock black one, and just tied the whole sled together. Again, this is the XRS. So this thing has the better suspension system on it, and was a really fun sled to play around with, especially when we got that deeper snow last year. So come on up. This is a demo, so if you want to take it for a ride and we got some snow, I'd love to take you on the trails.